talking spring cleaning today. As that weather gets a little bit warmer, it's time to kind of clean house, so to speak. Trae Bodge is here to help us with some of those tips. Thank you for being here.
Thanks so much for having me.
Now, Trae, this could be a really overwhelming situation. You know, some people might have their garage or a closet, many different parts of their home that they want to clean and get arranged. So what are some helpful tips to get started?
Well, of course, we don't have Marie Kondo in our homes to help us go through everything, right? And tidying up is such a huge trend. So my recommendation would be, if you are going to do spring cleaning, is to break it up into little increments, because 20 minutes or 30 minutes is much more doable than a huge mountain doing the entire house all at once. And those little increments are even things that you can do maybe after work one day, and you make that progress. It doesn't seem like such a drag, and you'll get a lot more accomplished.
So what are some of the steps to do that?
Yeah, so as you're going through, you obviously need to sift out your clothes and toys and furniture, but something that a lot of people forget about is jewelry, because jewelry doesn't take up a lot of space and you kind of have it tucked back in a drawer, but you could be holding on to things that have a lot of value. For instance, diamonds maybe from a previous marriage, or estate jewelry that you never wear. So there's a digital platform called Worthy that I really love that will help you sift through all that jewelry, let you know what's of value, and then hold your hand through the entire process, put it up for online auction, get you the best price. You can even send in your entire jewelry box and they'll say yes, no, these are the things you should sell, and then let you get your money back and sock that away for a rainy day.
Wow, that's
Love
a
that.
great idea. So check out Worthy. Now let's talk about that big pile of paper, the bills. There's maybe another platform that we can use to help sift through all that as well.
Absolutely. So you're probably looking at your desk and thinking, oh my God, I don't want to deal with this. A recent survey said that Americans pay on average 12 bills a month. And so if those bills are piling up and you forget one every month, for instance, you're going to really damage your credit. So I would highly recommend going through your desk, cleaning that out, but maybe paying all your bills on a digital platform. There's one that I like called Doxo. It's DOXO. You can pay all your bills on one platform, one login. You can designate how you'd like those bills to be paid, if it's by credit card, through your bank account, and so it's all taken care of for you every single month. So it's 12 less things to think about every single month, and then you're not going to miss a payment and worrying about damaging your credit. And the last thing I would say too about selling your items, if you're going through your clothes and you have gently used things, if there are toys that your kids have grown out of, furniture, there are so many great digital platforms where you can sell those items, like Facebook Marketplace. That's a platform you're using Facebook anyway.
There's one called Let Go that's also good too, I've seen.
Yes, Let Go. There's another one called Wallapop. There's eBay. There's Craigslist. So take a look at all of them, see which platform appeals to you, which works for you and how you want to sell, whether you want to meet people locally or sell your items by shipping them away. And then whatever you don't sell, you can donate. And where I live in New Jersey, I have, say, Big Brother, Big Sister coming to my house and they pick up my donations, or the United Veterans Council. If you don't know where to donate your items, you can use a site called donationtown.org. You can enter your zip code and it will let you know what the donation options are near you, so you can make it really easy, and then you can always write those off on your taxes if, with the new tax law, it's changing a little bit, so you may decide to take the standard deduction instead. But these are just ways to help you get rid of all your things, and so you have a nice, fresh, clean, open home going into the spring and summertime.
Great tips to remember. Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.